Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And I was out here looking at the rock wall, and I noticed that there was some old equipment left out here. Not quite sure what it is. Some sort of farm equipment, I would guess. And this was also up there. So I'm thinking about making a drag out of it. I need to level out the middle of the driveway. It's getting too high. It's really heavy, which is exactly what I need. So let's see if I can make a drag out of it. So I'm going to go and take off these brackets here. Pretty old and rusted. See if I can even break them free. Look at that. 100-year-old bolts. And they come right off. You take a nowadays bolt, leave it out in the rain for 100 years, and you'll probably never find it again. That's excellent. Nice. Let's get to the other one. Yeah, look at that. It's a sort of a 3/4 inch square nut. Probably through rust and erosion, it's gone down a size. That one's a lot smaller. Get another wrench here. This one's a 5/8. Barely fits on there. Back to the 3/4. Well, that one just broke off, but whatever gets it apart. Well, I had thought about welding it, but now that I got those off, might be able to get a bolt up through there, one on either side. So let's see if I can find some bolts. So I was able to find a couple of bolts from the scrap pile, but they worked out fine. Guess I won't be needing the grinder unless I decide to weld this to the other part. But let's see how it goes together. So this is what I came up with to hook the two pieces together. That'll obviously be where the tractor hooks up. We'll let it move up and down, flow with the driveway as it tears it up hopefully a little bit. Because this is just a for now drag. It's not a forever drag, though. Unless I don't use the parts for anything else, I can always put it back together and use it again. So let's see how it works. Well, that's gonna work just fine. Yeah. Looks like I know what I'll be doing for the next couple hours. Driving up and down the driveway. But the drag, simple, scrap materials, and it works. Till the next one.